Welcome to Kids Hut Stories, where fun and learning go hand in hand. Today's story is about a group of adorable animals who learn valuable lessons about breaking bad habits. Let's join them on their exciting adventure. Meet Max, the playful monkey. Max loves to have fun, but he has a habit of playing pranks on his friends, which sometimes hurt their feelings. Seeing their friends' behavior, Tim the turtle decides it's time to teach Max a lesson. He gathers the other animals, and they devise a clever plan to show Max the impact of his actions. As Max sets up another prank, things take an unexpected turn, and his friends find themselves in trouble. Max realizes the consequences of his actions and feels guilty for his behavior. Despite the chaos, Max's friends forgive him and come together to help each other. They teach Max the value of kindness, empathy, and thinking before acting. And so, Max and his friends learn that being kind and considerate is the best way to build strong friendships. Remember, it's important to always think about others' feelings and treat everyone with love and respect. We hope you enjoyed this delightful story. Join us next time for more exciting adventures and valuable life lessons. Until then, keep spreading love and kindness.